Hi Draw Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Doey the Doughman from Poppy Playtime. So let's get started. To draw this cute Doughman, let's first start by drawing a big circle for the head. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to try my best to draw a circle. If you're not comfortable drawing it, you can definitely use something to trace it, trace a circle, but I just feel it looks a little bit better when it's not too perfect, so that we know it was hand drawn, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and I need to make it a little bit bigger. Draw a circle. Okay, so here we go. It's about this big, and I'm going to bring it down and connect. There, got this big circle in. It's always harder when you start. It's kind of scary, right? There, now we have this circle in. I'm going to come to the top right here. So this is kind of like the center of my circle right here. I'm going to come to the left, come to the right, about right here, and we're going to draw the hat. So I'm just going to draw a curve on both sides. And I'm going to put in a curve right here, and then we need to draw the top of our hat. So just going to go over with a deeper curve all the way to the other side. Just going to pop this out a little bit more, and if you like, you can also, I guess, bring this in, but it's just easier to draw the circle first, and then I'll just erase that part later. Okay, so now that we have that, we need to draw the eyes. So once again, go back to the center of your circle. We're going to come down and let's see here. Come down and let's say about right here. I'm going to go to the left a little bit and go to the right a little bit. Just give myself 2 points. And then from there, I'm going to draw the eyes. So just come up and we're just going to draw these happy eyes that come down to about right there. And then we're going to connect it with a slight curve. And same thing over here. All the way. And then curve to connect. And I'm going to come in here and just shade this all in so you can see a bit better. And same thing over here. And then from there, I'm just going to come back right about here and just draw a soft curve over each eye. Then from there, we need to draw a big smile. So I'm just going to use this as my guide, the ends of these eyes. I'm going to come down to say about right here. And same thing here. And I'm just going to draw a curve all the way up. And I'm going to round it off. And I'm just going to go ahead and follow the bottom of my circle here and go all the way around for a very happy Doughman. There. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to go ahead and just shade this all in black. So bear with me here, and hopefully my marker will not run out because this is a very big mouth. So thank you for all the requests to keep drawing Poppy Playtime characters. Definitely let me know in the comments below if there's other characters you want me to draw from Poppy Playtime. Yay, we did it without the marker drying out. Okay, so now that we have this big smile in, actually I'm going to come right here now that I'm looking at my camera and just make this part a little bit sharper. Okay, Then from there, we need to draw the body. So we're going to center the neck. So let's say about right here and here. I'm going to come down with a curve. Same thing over here. And as I come down, I'm going to go slope it down and then just come down a little bit for some shoulders. Same thing over here, just a little bit. Then we're going to come where the curve starts to curve in, skip a little bit of space, and then give myself a point. Same thing here, give myself a point. And from there, we're going to draw the body. So I'm going to angle a line out. And this is Doey, right? So we need to make him nice and plump. So I'm going to come out more. And about right here, I'm going to start to round it in. And let's see here, let's keep going. I'm going to bring it down. And I'm just kind of imagining this big curve. So like towards the center, about right here, I'll give myself a point. So just kind of imagining this big body. In the center right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a small curve. And then from there, this is where I'm going to start with the legs. So I'm going to come down right here and curve and curve. And then right here, let's go ahead, come in. And we're just going to connect everything just to simplify it. And same thing here. So kind of come in a little bit and then out. But everything is nice and round. That's our goal. Okay, so now that we have that, let's draw the arms. So I'm going to start on this side, just on the side of the body. So we're going to come down, following this. And about right here, we're going to come in and then come out. So very long arms, and we're going to end them about right here. So let's come about right here, and I'm going to draw a thumb round for some fingers. Bring it down and connect. I'm just going to come right here and just draw two curves. Then on the other side, let's have Doey waving. So if you want to do that, let's see here. Let's come out. Then about right here, we're going to curve, kind of like the other side, right about there. And then we're going to go up with a curve for our hand. And about right here, we're going to bend it. So just keep that in mind. So let's come back right about here. We're going to draw a thumb. And then come across for 3 fingers. 2 and 3. And then we're going to bring it all down. There. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm just going to add a little curve right here in the center for the palm. And then we need to draw the pattern that's on the body, which is a bunch of hands, right? So I'm going to start, let's see here. Let's come right here. We're just going to break this part up with a curve. And then about right here, let's go ahead and we're going to draw the biggest curve. So we're going to wave it down towards the center, and then about right here, we're going to draw a hand, so a thumb, and that's going to have 3 fingers, 2, 3, and we're going to curve back up. And then right about here, just coming down and curve in. And let's see here, I'm not sure this part. Okay, I'm just going to leave it at like this. I need to look the reference. I forgot if there's a curve here to break up the colors. And then from there, let's draw the other side. So here, we're going to come out here. Have fun with this. This is just a pattern on the body, so it doesn't have to be exact. So we're going to come right here. 1, 2, 3. And then a thumb. And then one more here, kind of like a wave coming out. So I'm going to come right here. Just tuck 1, 2, 3, and then a thumb. And wave it all the way across and up. There. Something like that. And one last thing is here. And you just add a little curve here for some detail. Just to break it up when you color it. And the last thing, let's see, let's add a heart right here on the corner. To make this my Draw So Cute Doey the Doughman from Poppy Playtime. I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.